Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess. If you are not, welcome back. If you are new, I would love for you to go down there and click that big red subscribe button and join my YouTube family here. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So as you guys know, this is the part 3 to my Sephora haul. I ordered this almost a month ago. I ordered it on May 1st, which was the last day of the sale for VIB Rouge. And it just got here today, the 28th. So it did take a long time. I know with everything going on in the world, it makes sense that things are taking a little bit longer, but nearly a month is quite a bit. And this is the final part. So the next video that I will be doing about Sephora will be kind of like the product roundup, what worked for me, what didn't, if I will be sending anything back, things like that. And without further ado, I am going to grab the first item out of the box, which is the Tatcha, the liquid silk canvas. Now I do have the regular one that comes in like the little jar. Actually, let me grab that for you. So here is what the original one looks like. I very rarely use this. It was a little bit tricky for me to kind of figure out how it worked with my skin. So as you can see, I haven't really used a lot of it, but I've heard a lot of really good things about the liquid silk, which is really pretty packaging. It is Tatcha, so it was fairly expensive. I will leave the sale price and the regular price down below and on the screen for you guys. So that is item number 1. Item number 2 is this Dr. Dennis Gross DRX Acne Eliminating Pads, the salicylic acid acne medication. As you guys know, or most of you know, I suffer from acne. I am using Curology at the moment, and I did already get the Kate Somerville Eradicate, which is like her acne clearing line. So I've been kind of going between that and my Curology, and then I wanted to give these a try because Origins used to have something like this a long time ago, and then they stopped carrying it, and I'm not sure why, but I've been really missing something like this in my skincare routine for quite a few years now, so I'm really excited to see. It comes with 45 pads, and it says, for the treatment and management of acne, cleanse skin thoroughly before applying, cover the entire affected area 1 to 2 times daily using circular motions from forehead to neck. Do not rinse after use. So let's open this up here. Actually smells pretty good, but those are the pads there. Oop, I am dripping stuff everywhere, and they're soaked pretty well. As I tried to show you guys, some stuff dripped out, so be mindful of that. So I can't wait to start using that. I went ahead and zoomed you guys out just because I felt like you were really close for this kind of video. But next up, we have a very popular item as of late, which is the Fenty, what is this called? Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer. I also picked up the Milk Mini Baked Bronzer, and I've really been loving that, so I can't wait to try this. This is in the shade Macchiato, which is the 3rd shade in the range. Really nice. It looks a little bit dark for me, but hopefully I will get a little bit darker. Actually, swatching it, it looks pretty good. So there is a swatch of it there. It's really emollient, as you guys can see in the pan. And then I also got a blush. These are the Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush. And I got mine in the shade Strawberry Drip, which is very pink. Something definitely outside of my comfort zone, but from the reviews that I did watch, they are very sheer, so I went ahead and picked up kind of a different color. So there it is there, such a beautiful color, and the size difference between the blush and the bronzer is quite significant, but this one is a lot cheaper. I believe this one is $20, and then I got it on sale, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch Strawberry Dip for you guys. And there is it swatched there. Obviously you can definitely sheer it out, like once you kind of blend it out, it shears down really nicely. Really beautiful. I cannot wait to use these guys. Next up, from Huda Beauty, I got one. I think she's got 3 of these if I'm not mistaken, but I did get one of her Pastel Mints little 9 pans. I heard some kind of hit and miss stuff about this, but this one just caught my eye. I actually have this palette on my eyes right now, and obviously you can't really tell because I didn't use any of the greens, but look how beautiful those shades are. My eyes are drawn to this one, and then obviously this corner one right here. Really beautiful. I'll go ahead and do some swatches for you. And these are all of the shades swatched. They are just absolutely beautiful. I love the way the look came out of my eyes as well, which is not something that you think that you could get from a palette like this. But really, really happy that I purchased this one. Next up, the one foundation I got during the sale is this Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator. This is a tinted hydrating moisturizer, and I got the shade 25N Light Medium. And you get 1 fluid ounce, and then let's see what the color looks like. I do apologize if you can hear my upstairs neighbor. They're vacuuming, and they tend to vacuum like 10 times a day. So it's a bit annoying, so I apologize if you can hear them. But that is the shade there. It doesn't look too bad, actually. It's a little bit light, but it is a light coverage, so it should work just fine. Next up, from Charlotte Tilbury, I got another Eye Color Magic Liner Duo. And I got it in the shade, what is the shade of this one? Mesmerizing Maroon is what I got. And I do have the green one, which I really, really love. They are limited edition, so I wouldn't mind adding the other two that came out, but just not really doable at the moment. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch these for you guys. So you have the metallic side, which is this one here, and then the matte, which is the purple. That is so beautiful. And here is this one. I did also get the green one in my first order, and let me grab that for you guys. So this is the green one, and then I picked up this one the last round. So I'm super excited to have both of these. I love the formula. They're a little bit harder to use as far as like the drag time, but you can blend them out and make them look really, really nice. Last but not least, for makeup, I got the Kosas Moisturizing Baked Bronzer. I love the packaging on this. It is a little bit bulky, but so beautiful. It's got like, this is the unicarton, and as you can see, it's got kind of the raised kind of print here. And then this is what the packaging looks like. I got mine in the shade medium, which looks a little bit dark, but I guess it is summertime, and I'm going to get a little bit darker, and it is a baked formula. You get quite a bit of product. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this as well. There it is swatched. It does look like it has a little bit of a sheen to it. It is pretty dark, but I think I can make it work. I'll just go in with a light hand, but it's super pigmented. I barely touched the pan. That is just beautiful. And then last but not least, I did get one hair care product. This is from Playa. It's their Healing Hair Mask. Deeply moisturizes and soothes scalp with kaolin clay and amla oil. I know I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but this is what it looks like here. And you get 8 fluid ounces. I have extremely dry hair, and it is like coarse and naturally wavy curly. So masks are a huge thing for if you have hair like mine, and I don't mask enough. So I wanted to pick this up. It had great reviews, so I cannot wait to try it. Oh, it smells so good. And I don't wash my hair but maybe once a week, so I will probably use this instead of a conditioner and just use this as my conditioner. So that was everything in my last Sephora haul. I'm really sorry that it took so long to get this video up. The sale has been over for about a month and a half now, but like I said, this one took the longest. It took a month to get here, so I do apologize if you are sick of these videos. I feel ya. Like I said, the next video I have will be a roundup of what products worked, what didn't. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.